Hello, fellow painters. Welcome to the Disney-inspired course. This is the perfect course for beginner painters who want to advance their technique, their skills. If you're ready to learn the basic skills that you need to become a great painter, this is the course for you. We're going to focus on a lot of blending, a lot of brushstroke technique, and of course, all the while creating some amazing, magical pictures that you can be proud to say that you actually painted with your own hands. Ready to paint? Let's get started.